backtesting every day until profitable day 255. I'm gonna backtest 2025. Just backtesting my strategy, and yeah, I want to see what the results are. Like what are results in 2025? Obviously, we're still in 2025, but I've had some like weird trades, and I just want to see and just want to see if there's something which I could add to the strategy. Like for example, I've seen a lot already that this year I've had some trades where price has moved late these days. Okay. Yeah, I've had a lot of these trades where I'm in and it stops me out, and then it eventually goes. I've had that like 5 times right now in the last 2 weeks or something. So I want to see if there's something that I can add to this. So maybe I can take like 3 trades a day, or I can take 2 max trades a day. But if I get stopped out barely, and it shows me my setup again, like here I got stopped out, but my setup was here again, then maybe I can re-enter again. I don't know. We'll see. And I kind of want to just backtest 2025 and then backtest literally every single day. Like I'm just gonna be trading every day. Only when there's an exception. Only when there's a bank holiday, or a Friday with medium or no news. Yeah, medium news. I'm not trading. So yeah. That's what I want to try. So this is a bank holiday. I'm not trading. Going to Thursday, January 2nd. So that's right here. See what is the Tron liquidity. So yeah. We're gonna see, and it should not be profitable, or maybe it can be now because I'm gonna be trading days which I'm normally not trading. Like for example, day before NFP, or no, day before NFP I'm normally not trading, but I am gonna be trading that now. Because I've seen also that there were some nice setups, so it can vary a bit. So let's go to here, and let's make a new one. Let's duplicate this one. See if my stream is available. I guess the entire stream was unavailable, basically. Should back that. Yeah, it's available. Okay. So yeah, here, P&L calendar 2020, my model 2025 with extra days. Okay, so let's go to here. Okay, there's nothing in here. That's good. Okay, so let's see, what is my drawn liquidity here? So we are at all-time highs. So I don't see any reason to look for lower. Oh, this is NQ. Wait, what's yes showing here? Okay. Okay, so this is still bullish, but here we did inverse, yeah, in here. So I'm actually looking for shorts until here. Yeah, this is the range low. And then on ES, same thing. Yeah, so bearish here. See if this is also still bearish. We did close above here. Here's wall. They take the range high, so that looks good. We have sell side here, and then sell side here. Okay, let's see. 9:30. Okay, let's see. So just dropping. I don't think this is. I think that's glitched. Okay, nothing here. Okay, climbing higher all of a sudden. Okay, and then here also pushing higher. Let's refresh. Wait 1 second. Yeah, so it's now fixed. So I have literally a really small gap here, and here as well. Expecting some reaction out of here, so let's see if we get anything. No, I'm still bullish though. Didn't take out a range low, I think. Maybe we did. Okay, then we inversed here. Also inversed here, so I'm actually bullish until here. Or until here. Okay, let's see. Nothing here. So far beautiful. Okay, now we close below again, so that makes me bearish again. Wouldn't have missed anything here. I don't think so. Yeah, it's like subjective. Like, did we take the range low? I would say so. Yeah, but yeah, there was nothing here then. Just skip a few more. So looking for an entry here. 2 minutes. Okay, so close below we already take out the low, so it's not an entry. Nothing here. It's now outside my kill zone. Go to the PM. Okay. See what news we have. Stay actually. Okay. Yo, Catflex, what's up, man? How are you? So they take all these lows. Oh, that's actually the range low. So now I'm bullish again. Kind of crazy. Take out a 5-minute low. Okay. Just keep looking at price here. Okay, wait. 13.15 was manipulation. Okay, so entry is, yeah, literally right now. Stop at the low. Break even, that would be at a 1-1. And that would also be my TP. Let's see. Oh yeah, and also I haven't, like here I was still looking for a 1 or 2 R minimum. Like I changed it around beginning of April, yeah. Okay, so this is a loss. I'll be here. One L. Yo, come on. Yo, we're backtesting. No, I'm not testing time-based. Yeah, it's a mix. It's also time-based, yeah. Oh. Yo, what? Thought I had this already. What? Wait. How do I duplicated that one, but I don't know why it's okay. Just look here. I don't know why I didn't save it here. Okay. Remove this, remove this. Okay. Should also be here. Bro, what is this? Move to trash. Yeah, I want to duplicate this one. Yo, Patrick. What's up, man? How are you? I'm backtesting 2025 right now. Waiting until this loads. There it is. Okay, so it should be... Yeah. And here as well. Yeah. Okay, this one. I want to use my model. 2025. Extra... Oh, yeah. Lower R. Okay, so I took one loss. Okay. So I'm still looking for some kind of long actually. Okay, and that's literally right now. Got equal lows. 1336. Break even. That would be TP. Okay, let's see. Okay, also loss. Okay, so this is another example of literally today, and this is kind of interesting. Did my setup form here again. So I got stopped out. And then did the form or setup form again. It did. Okay, so it formed here again. Already took 2 losses today now. But let's see if I say I entered on here. Wait, let me first make a screenshot of this. So copy image, and then this is 1L as well. Entry was at 1336, so it's still in there. Time from entry was on at 2 minutes. Okay, so yeah, normally I would close the day here because now I took 2 losses today. But I've seen it so many times that I got this year that I got stopped out. And then price actually ran to the drawn liquidity. Now it happens again. And my setup is here, so I kind of want to see. Is this TP? I don't even know, but let's see. So closure above there. Here. So got the equal lows. Okay, so break even here. This would be my TP. Let's see if we hit that. Okay, so here. Same as today. So today, this was the trade from today. I get stopped out here. Here I got stopped out, and then we ran to the drawn liquidity. And there was, my setup was in here as well. So same as this. My setup formed again. I enter on that again. So this is my 3rd trade. I already took 2 losses, but this is then my 3rd trade. And then this did get hit, and then here same thing. So this also got hit. So maybe when I just barely got stopped out and my setup forms again, I can take one more like extra entry. Go for 3 trades a day. Yeah, that's, I don't know, that's a good beginning or something I could test. Let's try and do that. My model 2025. Lower RR. Does this work? No. Okay, so if 2 losses. Yeah, because if I take 1 loss, I could, yeah, of course I can enter. If 2 losses, if I just took 2 losses, but I got barely, yeah, barely. It's like subjective, but barely stopped out. But I got barely stopped out, and my setup forms again, going towards that strong liquidity, which I want to see. I can enter one more time. Okay, let's try and do that. So here, let me then take this, and then let's see what I get out of this. So now I'm already down 2%. I'm risking 1% per trade. Yeah, let's just do that. Okay, so now I'm down 2%, but this should bring me back to a 1% loss. This break even. Because I'm going for lower RR trades. Whoa. What's going on? Okay. Yeah, this did get hit. See what price it eventually as well. Okay, so we did win higher even to 1 and 2, but it doesn't matter, but it's just interesting. Want to have that in the screenshot. So 1L, 1L, 1W. Still losing day because I'm down 1%. But oh shit, where's that trade? And that's here. Okay. Should put this here. Okay. And this entry was at it was on a 1 minute, around 14. This was also there, 14. It's also 1 minute, so 2 minutes. Price action was then alright. News, we had some news as well. Unemployment claims, PMI. Okay, so and medium. So 8:30. Okay. Okay, so that's the first. Let's go to the next day now. Oh. Look at that, that's so nice. Okay, what's my draw on liquidity? Okay, so I think I'm still bullish now. This is a Friday, so if you're at the low of the week, then I'm bearish. 10 AM news. Are we at the low of the week? No, we aren't. So I'm still actually bullish. This does support my idea. This 1 hour inversion. That looks nice. Same here on ES. Okay. Let's say draw on liquidity. Let's say draw on liquidity. I think even here, yeah. So here. Here. Okay, and then there as well, but let's first see if you want to go there. If any really clean loads, we do have really clean loads actually. Wow, damn. Okay, it's not necessary for us to go there, but we do have clean loads. It looks really bullish, so I'm not really expecting anything too crazy to go lower. Like maybe stay inside range, but if you go like, yeah, below here, then it's probably already going. Probably already looks pretty bearish from there then. Okay, but this is good. Still bullish. Do have 10 AM news, so gotta be careful for that. Okay, now I have to wait until news. 1, 2, 3, which is here. Okay, there's nothing here yet. It like setups. Okay, so let's see. No entry yet. Waiting. Okay, could be something here, which there isn't. Okay, so we have a single 30 minutes. In 8 minutes, we're about to close below here, and then if we do, then on the S as well, of course. Then I'm looking for shorts until here. That looks pretty obvious to me, but only if we close below. Otherwise, I'm still bullish. Oh shit. So here we close above. So here, yeah. So this candle's my entry for a long. because we're still holding it. We didn't close below yet. So it's still holding as a pissy. Yeah, let's see. What time is this? 10:24. Closure above. Stop at the low. Taking out these internal equal lows. Break even. That'll be here. And our first EP. That'll be here. Okay. Now we at this high. Still inside of A1 to 2. Yeah, this is a trade that I should have taken. So this is probably a loss. Because this trade looks... Yeah, I would remember if I got this profit. So let's see what it actually was. Or break even at least. Yeah, okay. But I don't remember this being a W. I don't even remember this trade. But if this was a W, I would have remembered. No way. So here I'm still in because I'm looking for a 1-to-1 inside of it. No, it was a TP. So I don't remember at all. I don't remember this trade at all. Like it is already 3 months ago or something, but yeah. Oh yeah, it's not a W trade. In this period I was still looking for a minimum of 1 to 2 RR. And here on yes, we took the high here at 1103. So that should have been full TP. We're at a minimum of 1-to-1. 1.33, and then this probably gets stopped to break even then, right? Oh. Yeah, I don't remember this at all. So, but that's full TP. So let me go back. I also think that you could take in mind when the price is just consolidating. Yeah, but when is it like, that's like so hard. Like when is it consolidating? That's such a hard thing to be, yeah. I think that's really hard to like I really like objective rules, but when is it consolidating? Like I think that's so hard to what's the word? To know, like when is it actually? Higher chance to get stopped out. Yeah, of course, of course. Here. Okay. Oh, just here. Yeah, and it's also hard when it's like when I'm in a trade. Price action still looks good, but once I'm in a trade, then it starts consolidating. Then it's also hard. Like, what do you do then? Like, yeah, it's hard for you to, or it's not hard, but you don't know, like, oh, let me just take it off because it's consolidating and then it goes. Or, yeah, I don't know, like how to really know when it's consolidating. 10:25, so here. So now 1 minute. Price action was just good. PMI, and we had some medium. 10 a.m. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next day. Monday. Only AM session trading. That's true, hard to say without data. Yeah, like what is really showing you that it's consolidating? Like what do you see in price that tells you, yeah, it's consolidating? And that's just really hard to find out. So what's the draw here? Okay, so still bullish. But I do like this, like last 2 weeks I've had it like five times, maybe even more, that I had a trade where I entered and I got stopped out and then it went to my TP like straight away. Like I got stopped out with like a few ticks or a few points. And I do like that rule. Like I have just one trade of that working, but like here, what is this? Here got stopped out and then price went, but there was my setup again, and then I answered and it was a TP. Like I do like that rule, but I don't know if I could. Like, do I take then 3 trades a day, or maybe just one trade a day, and then if that happens, then I could go for two trades a day. I'm not sure yet. One trade a day, and when I barely get stopped out. I don't know. Something I have to find out. So this is still bullish for me. This is Friday. We're at the high of the week as well. This just looks very good to me. And then here also holding this 15 minutes. Stay draw liquidity. Okay, so yeah, we're at like at the low of this busy, so could still go a bit lower, maybe go in the higher time frame range. Busy. Okay, we have a 1 hour here as well actually. Okay, wait, we do have a 1 hour here. But yeah, trade somewhere inside of here, maybe, who knows, but doesn't have to be. Still looking for a long, good half direction. Like, right, wait, what? Friday, wait. Why is this Thursday? Why didn't I trade Thursday? What? Oh no, here. Oh wait, this is... No, wait, what? Oh, this is first. Oh, it's here. What? Stupid. So this is here and then... Wait, what? Oh, I already... Wow. Already traded Friday. It's now Monday. Wait, I skipped, but why didn't it work? Oh, I think price is tripping again. Sunday. Okay, wait, now it's Monday. That's good. Okay, yeah, so Monday, I'm only trading AM session. Let's remove drawings. Let's try again. Okay, so still bullish. So far, it looks good as well. Yeah, draw is pretty high up. So all the way right there. So I don't even think we're gonna get there this Monday. Let's just zoom in and then it looks so bullish. So just looking for a long here. 30-minute sooner gap here. We did take the low, did we? No, we didn't. So we have... Oh, we did. No. So we do have an SMT. We got a nice reaction. This looks really, really bullish. Yeah, just looking for a long. Let's see. Playing our price. Nothing here. 2 minutes. Nope. Oh. Oh, we have a really, really tiny gap here. Do we? Yeah, we do. Let's see. Which we do close above 1002. Yeah, it's a trade. Yeah. Is it? Oh no, we took out the high here on ES. So, well, what if only two or one trade for me and don't take them because of the rule? What if only two? Wait, what do you mean? What if only two or one trade forms? Hey, don't take it because of the rule. What rule? The first variant of the year. Yeah, also. That's what I've seen as well. Like, first January is not best for price action, but still. I just want to see overall. Like, we're now in April. And I just want to see in like the entire of the year. Like, not what I could change, but what I could add, I think, more. Like, I've had, in the last 2 weeks, I've had like 5 times, maybe even more, that I got stopped out and then price actually win. And I got barely stopped out. So maybe I could just add a rule to that. Maybe I can, what I want to try. Maybe I just take one trade a day, and when I barely get stopped out, I can go for 2 trades. Or if I just took 2 losses and I get barely stopped out, I can enter one more time. Like, yeah, that's just what I want to see. Yo, Tur, what's up, man? How are you? Did you take anything rest of the day, Tur? What do you think about the stop loss about the IVG ones? It doesn't happen often, but feel like you get so many because of price stepping. It's not. It hasn't been so bad with the break-even trades. I think I've had that like maybe 3 times in the entire of almost the entire year. I think with this, like with the lower RR model, I don't get that so often because I already took TP then. So yeah, I do like the idea, but it's also hard for. Wait, let's see, where was it? Like here, this is nice, but like when also, like what is different here compared to other trades where I can put my stop above the IFEG, which was here. So I can put my stop above there, but what shows me that I can do that? It's also hard. First rule you wrote. Oh, okay, yeah. Okay. So you're still looking for a long price action. So far is choppy. Wait, no way. 2. Oh no, never mind. Nothing here. Or does it look like hindsight again? Nothing here. So far is choppy. Nothing here. Just wanted to see like a heavy manipulation and then go higher. But this is so far pretty choppy, and it was no trades for me because we only had AM session trading because of medium impact news. I'm kind of curious to see Thursday, day before NFP. Normally I'm not trading. I'm not gonna be trading now. Seeing what I get out of that. Let's copy this. Okay, let's remove seeing that percentage. I don't care about that in the backtesting. So end of day, remove that. Okay, so Monday, didn't take any trades. This was the price action. We had medium impact news. Okay. Going to Tuesday now. Jolts, PMI both at 10. Let's see. Go the next day. Still bullish, I'm thinking, hopefully. Okay, did went lower. What do we have here? 6 hour. So you have a singular gap here. No, it's not a singular one. We have 2. Do we have a singular one? No, we don't. It's not necessary for us to tap this, but it is there. And then here, same thing. We did tap it here actually. Got a small reaction. This is the draw. Probably in for something in here as well. Let's see. 1 hour. Okay, 2 hour. Yeah, so we have a singular 2 hour gap here, which we're about to inverse, so that looks good. And here, 3 hour. Oh, we have this 3 hour which we already inverse, so that looks even better. So that just tells me, okay, this is the draw on liquidity. Yeah, I'm just again really bullish. Maybe like a 932 to swing. We do have 10 AM news, but overall not expecting anything crazy lower. Okay. Or yeah, big drop. Clean lows. We do have clean lows here actually. Maybe market just wanted to go there. Who knows? Gaps here. 15. Okay, so 15 minutes here. I'm just gonna mark out equilibrium. Or optimal trade entry, it's better. Okay, still bullish. ES just not really moving in tandem with NQ, so maybe you just want to have an SMT at the low there. Still looking for a higher, which you do get. This can't be an entry because I'm waiting until 10 a.m. news now, which is gonna be right here. Okay, so pretty bearish actually, or a pretty big drop, not bearish yet. Maybe we do want to go for these lows. ES is now in that inversion. We did take a 4-hour low, so I have to look at the 5-minute. Still looking for higher. Oh, yes, took out those lows as well. Just looking at the 5-minute now. Okay. Let's see. Wow. 4-hour, where was it? 6-hour. Oh, we are in this gap here as well. Yeah, I'm honestly still bullish. Let's just play this out even more. Nothing here. And this now outside my kill zone. Go to the PM. What do we have here now? Could mark out these gaps. No, I didn't take anything in New York. Took 1 W and 2 L's in London session. First time evil fund, so it was a bit frustrated because I took a loss or event trade. Lesson learned. Nice. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Lesson learned. Nice. I don't know. I think it's really good in my opinion, but it happens very occasionally. Yeah, but like it's hard to like look at like what is different about this trade compared to others where I can say, okay, I can put my stop above the IVG and not go break even. I think, yeah, I have to look. I would have to look. It is interesting, but it's so hard to actually know. Let's see. Can I find something similar? Let's go in here. Or no, I have to check at yeah, break even. Oh. It's break even. Oh. No, I have to look by myself. Yo, Orcho, how are you? Unfortunate day on the market, huh? Backtesting. Matching live markets. So far, yeah, I haven't really seen much yet. I'm let's see. I've just taken 3 trades. But yeah, man, it's been a rough few days. Crazy. I took 2 losses, and then 2 W's actually, I think. Yeah. But yeah, I'm just trying right now. Trying to look like this is something which I want to try and see because I've had a lot, like 5 times, maybe even more in the last 2 weeks where I had a trade and I barely got stopped out and then it eventually did run to my drawn liquidity, which is like crazy, happening in 2 weeks like 5 times at least. But yeah, I just want to see if I take 2 losses, but I barely get stopped out and my setup forms again, going towards the drawn liquidity, which I want to see. Can I enter one more time? Or do I just take 1 trade a day and again, when I barely get stopped at break even, I can go for another trade? I don't know. I just want to see. But so far, I'm just, yeah, I'm in January now, so I haven't seen much yet, but let's see. Did you take anything today, Ortro? Let's see. So I'm still looking for a long year. 15. Okay, that does look good actually. 5, 4. Oh, 5. Okay, so you do have this, which we're still holding, which I like to see get inversed. And then here. Okay, 15. No, we have a 5 also here. Oh no, wait. We have this then. We have a 30-minute gap then. Okay, we do. Just look at NQ. Yeah, still looking for a long. Let's play out price here. Dropping lower. We're about to inverse this. Yeah, we did take the range high here then. If we close below in 3 minutes. Which we do here. We do here, I can look for a short until the range low. But then again, now I'll be bullish. Let's just remove this. Let's see. Okay, this could be good. Now we tapped into this. If we inverse this. And that's a short, which we don't do. Trading higher. This 50-minute, which is a BPR. Here as well. Okay, let's see. If we inverse this, then that's not an entry. Waiting 2 minutes, 3 minutes. No, nothing here. Waiting. Okay, we did take equal lows, equal highs here. No, one high. I got one high here. No, also nothing. Waiting. Now dropping lower. Didn't take the range low yet. Almost outside the kill zone though. Yeah, this is just nothing. Yeah. So no trades this entire day. I think it could be used when the liquidity gets taken. Use FIB and FIB aligns with the IVG. It could be that. I'm just saying random. Yeah, okay, yeah. It could be when the liquidity gets taken, use a FIB and the FIB aligns. Yeah. No, it's. I really have to look at in here, but I think still it's really hard to really look at. Like, I was thinking, okay, that's also not really when we are above second stage distribution, because when in a trade, you only see this. Wait, I can. Okay, so when in a trade, this is what you see. Yeah, so this is what you see. You see this IVG here. This gets close below on here. And this is already my break even, but yeah, this is all you see here on here. But yeah, on the left, like what could it show on the left, which is always different, which is gonna say like, yeah, this is that trade where I can put my stop above the IVG. I think that's is really hard to for it to always be the same. Yeah, let's just look at something like it. Not winners, but break even then. Or yeah, it's break even probably. Let's check. Do I have something like it? Yeah, so maybe here. Like this could be already something looking as the same as this one. Which, yeah, like here, it's like a really close break even, but and I also have a rule which does all make this kind of easier, but it's when closure below, okay, this is my entry. Then I can wait for one candle closure, and then I put my stop to break even. So here I wait for the closure, and then I still get stop to break even, so it wouldn't have mattered. But yeah, here it's like, I think this is like the exact same entry then, which could be like objectively. Is there anything else? I don't know about this. But really when we're like, yeah, kind of, I don't know how to explain it, but something like this. Okay, it's not working. Oh, this. Or you just keep dropping or keep pumping. Okay. Yeah, this one maybe. Like here also, maybe. This could be somewhat similar. Or no, here I would no with the new RR system that now does work. So that would have been TP. Here, okay, 1 RR break even. And here, like, yeah, closure below, like how far is it gonna be lower? It's also hard. Yeah, I think it's just really hard to see. Yo, Fall, what's up, man? How are you? Yeah, if you consider just not having a trading limit, if in theory, if you have a 6%, more trades you take, the more data will actually reflect. Just not having a trading limit, if in theory you have a... Yeah, if I just trade all day, you mean? If I just see my setup, I just take it. I took 2 winners and nice. Passing, nice. Nice, Ultra. Nice. Yeah, but you can blow it fun if it's really bad. Yeah. Yeah. Guess you can have rules, but if there is really good price action. If there is really good price action stopping after first. Yeah, I also had one more day, which was... We already had an example of that as well. Just one example, but I thought price action was really clean, and I tried to implement that idea. Like, okay, makes sense if I take a W that day, but price action is just really good. Let me just take another trade. Let me just look for another setup. And I was doing that, but then a loss. And then I thought, okay, maybe it's only this trade. And then again, price action was just really clean, and then another loss. So I already just gave up on that idea, actually, right there. But yeah, that's only one day, but already that is, I don't know. Yeah, I'm trading IST concepts, yeah. Okay, let me continue this. 2025. We go to here. This is no trades. Easy to fill in. Oh. I wanna screenshot the price action. Right there. And then news, we had PMI and Jolts, both at 10. Okay. We go to Wednesday now. So ADP, NFP, I'm really curious about this day. This will be day before NFP, which I'm normally not trading, but I'm gonna be trading this day. Not New York, but London session. But first this day, ADP, NFP. Go to the next day. Trading pool? I don't know trading pool, no. Oh wait, I think I do actually. I think I do. Oh, why? Oh no, I don't know it, no. Definitely not a bad idea, no. Yo, Kartik, I'm great, man. How are you? Okay, wait. Let me see what's the draw here. So we don't have a senior gap here. So I'm looking at 2 here. Okay, so we have the 6 hour still holding, which I'm not thrilled about. Weekly. Oh wait, we did a change in state of delivery. Shit. I was bearish here. Wait. I've been bearish this entire week. What did I take? Oh, I take no trades, no trades. Oh shit. Yeah, shit. I have to go back to Monday then. Bro. Let me go back to Monday then. 9:30. Remove drawings. Okay, so higher time frame is bearish. Daily Sibi here. Still didn't take any losses with it being with it where I was looking for long, so that's fine. It doesn't change anything. Not that I've taken like 10 losses and I said like, oh, I was actually bullish. Yeah, this looks now like, oh, yeah, you saw the market going lower. That's why you're looking for shorts, but no. Because we had the weekly change save delivery here. But yeah, even though this looks really bullish, I would be scared to look for... Or not scared, but... I I wouldn't really be happy with looking for shorts, but yeah, I've seen it worked, so that's nice. So Monday, going back to that, only AM session trading. Let's see. And there's nothing for me that's telling me internal is bullish now, so yeah, higher time frame is bearish. That's what I'm looking for. So just looking for a bearish setup. Nothing here. Okay, this could be something. 2 minutes. No, it isn't. Nothing here. Still going higher. Did we take out 4 highs? No. Nothing here. Nothing here. Okay, this could be something. Taking out equal highs. Single gap. They close below 1048. Taking out these equal highs. I don't know if this is a W or a loss, or I don't know. I'm looking at this market sell model. This would be first and full TP. 1-to-1 would be break even. And here's that same TP. Let's see. It's like a tick gap or something. IVG. Base order, save. Let's see. Nothing here. Okay, yes, take out these highs and see where I actually would be. Break even on yes. Oh, that's here. She didn't hit, of course. Still in. Choppy. Okay, that's a stop loss. Okay. And then copy this. I want to see where price hit after. No, it does that. Okay, wait, this is this is again that example where it'd be, oh no, not here. Just like this, I get stopped up barely, and then it goes to TP, even though this is actually outside my kill zone. No, it still is. Wait, maybe it isn't. 2 minutes. Okay, wait, we close below here. This is outside my kill zone, so maybe I can make an exception for that as well. Let's say this is my entry now. My setup formed again, but it's outside my kill zone. Would this be TP? Yeah, this is CP at 1-1. Wow. I've seen that now work twice, which is already too much. Or already, yeah, crazy. Yeah, maybe who knows, maybe I just found another rule added to my, or yeah, something that I can add to my system, something good. Okay, so I took 1 loss here. So I can do W. 1L. Time entry was at 10:48. Was on the 1 minute. New York. Okay, so here. We have medium impact news. Okay. And then I get stopped here. And then 2 minute my entry formed again. And it's outside my kill zone. But it was a TP 1-1. IVG. So yeah, I'm gonna try that. That's something I'm gonna try. Even though, or how did I do that? I just remember. Okay. Yo, Fred. I took a trade today. Yes, I took 2 losses. I took 1 loss, which I'm totally fine with. Here, it looked pretty good to me. Looked good bearish, but got stopped out here. And I took this trade as well, which I got stopped at break even, or I got stopped, not break even. I entered on here. I was in a tiny bit of profit. It went here, stopped me out, and then yeah, I've seen this now in the last 2 weeks. I've seen that this minimal 5 times. So I'm Yeah, that's what I'm trying to test right now. This is 2025, and I'm trying to see like this here, literally right here. It happened again, and I'm trying to see if I can add something for that, or I can, yeah, make something for that. So, yeah. I'm also top step Rafal, but just more trades on the profile share would just mean you eventually break out. Just a matter. Yeah, yeah, 100%. Start trading Max drawdown. Trailing is only on Apex with futures. Top step gives a free reset. When? Rafal understood that. It was Dutch. This is the volatility. How much for? Wait, where is that free reset? Where is that? Okay, so here 1-to-1. Oh shit, session is almost over, backtesting session. Kind of just want to continue, but let's go to sleep. Because I'm excited for this actually. Like, finding a solution. Trying to fix the problem. Yeah, so I took 1 loss, 1 W. And this was outside my kill zone. This is on 2 minutes. Time entry outside my kill zone. Yeah. Price action was alright. Medium impact. Let's go to Tuesday now. See what I get there. Okay, last trading day. I'm gonna end the session. Yeah, I don't know. Kind of unfortunate I have to go to sleep. Otherwise, I would want to backtest even longer. Can't wait for tomorrow then, I guess. Still bearish. Looking for this to hold, which we are above it. Yeah, we are above that now. Then I'm marking out the range here. 4 hour. We don't have a gap here, not a singular one. Just looking at 2. Here then, it's 2 hour. We're still holding this, so that looks good. Optimal trade entry. Draw liquidity here would be the slow. Yeah, these look pretty clean already. Yeah, and I know eventually price did go lower, but still I could take some losses. Doesn't mean that every trade that's going to be short now is going to be a W. Can still take some losses. Let's see, is there anything here? Nope. Already insane drop. Okay, nothing here. Okay. Okay, so 9:54. This is actually outside my kill zone, so I'm not allowed to enter here. 10 AM news as well, so definitely not allowed to enter. Even though it did play out, I'm not gonna answer while we have news. Okay, what's the next draw on liquidity? Looking at this market maker sell model. Okay, so we have this low. That would be this low. And then, yeah, even lower, but let's just first see if you wanted to go here. Let's see. Took out a high. Okay, close below here. Took out 1 high. Took out these perfect wise. Yeah. Singular gap in the leg. No, we have another gap here, so 2 minutes. 3 minutes. So we have a small gap here. Took out this high. Only took out 1 high, so it's nothing. Let's pay our price even more. Do get a nice drop, but it's not my... wasn't my entry. And then even lower. This is the next draw. And this is the next draw. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, this can be outside my kill zone. Okay, so this day is still a day without any trades. Copy image, and yeah. I don't know. I want to do a bit longer. 11, I have to be in bed. So let's do let's do one more day. All right. No, shit. I still need to take a shower. All right. Let me just take one more day anyway, or trade one more day anyway. Have you ever thought of didn't know platforms offer that? Yeah, it's only with futures. Have you ever thought of not using a fixed TP? Yeah, definitely, of course, yeah. But I'm not always using a fixed TP. I target liquidity now, way more. And it has to be a minimum of 1-to-1 now. I just bought my funded, so I'm gonna wait until 25th of April because that's the last day you can claim the reset. Where did you find that? The reset, free reset. How do you get that journaling template? Kai can Eclipse. I made that myself. I can I still need to make a video on that, and then I'll release it for free. But if you want it, just DM me on Discord. I'll just send it to you. There's this Polish guy, and he had an interesting TP system. He X's on the first opposite candle, and every 2, 3, 4 candles in this direction, he goes in a higher time frame, like 1 to 3 minutes, and the same. And eventually, during extreme trends, he could make incredible R. This guy also just lost 10 million trying to long Nasdaq turn speculation. Okay, wait. Let me go to Wednesday now. Alright, let's do this day, and then I'm gonna end the session. Okay, so still looking for shorts. This is a clear draw on liquidity. Looks really nice. Weekly is bearish, that's why I'm bearish. Doesn't mean anything by itself yet, of course. Something else can show me that it's bullish, but in here, I'd be bullish if we inverse this 1 hour, and then I'm bullish until the range high, which would be here, and then here as well. But only if we inverse, which I don't think we will. But yeah, so I'm pretty bearish. 1 hour, and then here, same thing. Let's see, last trading day, then can end the session. And an ADP NFP, that's always at 8:30 or 8:15. Unemployment claims and 2 p.m. FOMC meeting minutes. It's not the big one. Okay, this already could be something. 9:37. We didn't have 10 a.m. news. Had to check. Take out one high. Oh. Yeah, we took out one high. And then nothing. So it's not an entry. Waiting. Didn't miss anything here. No. So you're gonna play it out even more. Okay, this could be nice. This could be really nice actually. So we have 2 gaps looking on 2 minutes. We do have a senior 2 minute here. 1, 2, 1, 2. We close below here. Now taking all these clean highs. I don't remember any of this price action, but this just looks really, really clean to me. And I think, yeah, I don't know. I think maybe this is just a weird trade because I think this is just gonna dump to here. So maybe it's just gonna be a stop out. I don't know. Yeah, this is first, and is it full TP? No. Okay, wait. Here is full TP. Right there, and then break even at a 1-to-1. So right there, 1.89 RR, still inside of a 1-to-2. Here that'll be TP, or yeah, if he takes that, then I'll just close it. What is it? What's the word? Just close it. Wow, I forgot the word. Just close it by myself. Okay, so no. Oh no, shit! I didn't move my TP, so it's still not TP. It was break even. 2 minutes. Here. Or I don't know. If this okay, it's not. I want to say if this is already like plus 6% or something, then it would just be not realistic. I don't know what I'd be doing different then, but here, let's break even. Still not TP. Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't remember me taking this trade in real life markets. Oh, okay. This is definitely why yeah. So normally I would go for I'm trading the same system, but normally I would go for a 1-to-2 or R minimum, and then look for liquidity inside of A103. So my first TP with like my old system would be here, this low. Which, yeah, I'd definitely be looking for shorts because, yeah, that's always the same, like my bias. But here, this was my first TP. Maybe I can even scroll back into in here. Let's try that actually. 8th of January 2025. Let's see if it's somewhere in here. It should be. So this is, I don't know what day this is. So this is April. Let's go back all the way here. It should probably be in here. That's March. Almost there. That's February. Just to prove it, like, okay, yeah, this is 1st of, oh, wait, is it? Yeah, this is 1st of January. 6th, Wednesday, 8th of January. Should be somewhere here. 7 in this now, we'll see. Bro, look at that. That's funny, man. Look at this. And then I probably said it's break even. Same entry. And what are the targets? Break even. Look at that, it's so stupid. I love the new system. Just, yeah, I didn't take any TP on this because I was looking for a minimal 1 or 2 RR, and here I just get a, what is it? A 1.89 RR. And it's, yeah. Okay, gonna end the stream on here, but that's just really nice. So already, yeah, still I'm trading that system and still I haven't seen anything yet, but this is just really funny to see. But now I did take profit and that explains that. We're gonna copy this. W, 1W, 10:08. Time from entry was on a 2-minute. Time zone New York. Price action was good. Yeah, that's so stupid. Wow. So I got a break-even trade on this. Yeah. News we had. What day was this now? Wednesday. ADP, NFP, unemployment claims. ADP, NFP. Where is it? Unemployment claims, and then FOMC meeting minutes. 8:15, 8:32. Okay. Yeah. Maybe like if there are more of the trades like this one, maybe if I was trading the system, maybe I would have even passed an account. Maybe I don't know. But yeah, it's just really interesting to see. We'll continue this tomorrow. Check your mail. My email. Wait, what? Oh, for top step. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna check. Silver backtest, silver bullet. Yeah, I did. Yeah, I didn't backtest it as much as I did with what is it? With what I'm doing now. But yeah, I've tried it for a small time, but no, it wasn't for me. Free reset. Oh, gonna see. Maybe it's in my spam or social. I don't know. Didn't you have your old system at the time? Yeah, I was. Yeah. Oh yeah. Do you journal on Notion? I do. Yeah. If you want Kai clips, if you want Notion, just DM me on Discord. Yeah. See you guys. Thank you for watching, man. Everyone have a good night or a nice day. See you guys.